Hey dancing loves, it is quite a time of year. I know a lot of you are wrapping up school years and watching people graduate and seeing the dancers that you love and adore move on to different chapters in their lives. I know it's also an incredibly stressful time of year if you're working in the academic setting, or just finishing your recitals and all of these different performances. I've been talking to a lot of people about One Soul Dance Festival, and I am just so excited and so passionate. I've been on the verge of tears many times because I know that as dance educators and leaders that we need spaces to restore and refill our wells. And this is part of why this festival is so exciting to me, is that we're going to get a chance to be together for 5 days to create, train, and perform new works together, delving into cross-cultural, contemporary, and conscious dance. And at the heart of it, every day, we're going to have an opportunity to practice radical self-love and for you to be nurtured through meditation and sound healing, as well as just filling up your creative well. So I just want to take this moment, coming from the heart, coming from the dance, love, and light, to say you are so important, you're so valid, and I appreciate everything that you're putting into the universe for dance education and bringing yourself up and bringing up new dancers to express our truths. And you are so invited and so wanted at One Soul Dance Festival. We're coming together August 7th through the 11th at Cleo Parker Robinson Dance. Early bird rate ends on June 1st. And so right now is the time to secure your festival pass for $444. You can make a deposit of $111 to hold your space right now. And I just want to give this incentive to you right now, because I just know the power of being able to connect, and I know you know that power too of connecting with others through the dance. So when you get your festival pass, when you make that effort towards getting your festival pass here today, you will also be able to provide a festival pass for someone of your choosing. So it can be somebody in your company, one of your emerging leaders that you know may not be able to afford this on their own. But we're gonna do a BOGO here, and I just want to offer this to you. I'll drop a deadline for it, but this is a moment that I just want to welcome you into the fold and know that as you go back into the school year, you have something to look forward to at the end of the summer that is going to give you all the tools for body, mind, spirit, creative activation as we come together for the One Soul Dance Festival. All right, I cannot wait to dance with you. This is Ashe signing off, Soul Vida Worldwide. Much love to you.